talk about three things, so you don't have a long sermon, I hope. Now, there are three things that separate you from the rest of the Christian church, and you ought to know. Most of you who are baptized into this church were baptized out of another Christian church. Then why in the world did you do it? That's what I came to tell you. After all these years, you're going to understand what you did 60 years ago. Well, the thing that was different about Adventist preaching is, number one, our teaching on the judgment. I'm going to review that for you. Take about 20 minutes. And the second one is, the second coming of Christ. Boy, that's a biggie right now. And the third one I've got down here has to do with what happened to the Ten Commandments. If we can settle those three questions, you can settle down in the Adventist church. Because unless the rest of the folk catch up with it, they're going to settle down too. But where they ain't going to want to be sitting. And the only one that will get to heaven without an understanding of these three things is one who doesn't know any better, but is sincerely living up to all the light that she has. Now, God's always made an exception for ignorance. But I never want anybody to call me ignorant. And one of the functions of Adventism is to remedy the ignorance in the religious world about these three things.